In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quick view button to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. This process is straightforward and should take no more than 5 minutes. Let's get started by ensuring you're logged into your Shopify account. If you're not, go ahead and open Shopify's main page and click on the login option. Here, you need to input your email address and then click on continue to proceed with it. You'll then be prompted to enter your password, after which you can finally click on the login button to access your store's dashboard. Now that you're logged in, head over to the My Store section and navigate to Themes. From here, you should click on the Apps option located within your store's admin panel. In the Apps section, there's a search feature that makes it easy to find the tools you need. In the search bar, type in Quick View Pop-Up. You'll see several options for Quick View Pop-Up apps. Choose one that suits your needs and click on it to start the installation. Most of these apps have straightforward installation processes. Just follow the on-screen instructions to add it to your store. Once the app is installed, you need to enable it for your store. Typically, this is just a matter of toggling a switch within the app's settings or accepting permissions. After enabling the app, return to the main admin panel and this time navigate back to Themes. In the Themes section, you should click on the Customize button, which allows you to modify the design and functionality of your online store. Now, within the theme customizer, navigate to the Product section. In this area, you have the opportunity to add features like the Quick View button. Click on a product to bring up its editing options, and you'll notice that the pop-up feature has been integrated successfully. This means customers visiting your store will have a more seamless browsing experience, as they can get quick information about products without needing to navigate away from their current page. Remember, after making these changes, it's crucial to save your customizations. Simply click on the Save button and you're all set. You've successfully added a quick view button to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme, enhancing the shopping experience for your users. It's really that simple. Now your customers can quickly view product details and decide on their purchase without any hassle. Thank you for joining me in this step-by-step guide.